welcome back to our channel Trency Tweets. And
My name is Shifa,
I'm Meg here.
and today we are in West Side to show some traditional collection.
Correct.
फर्स्ट ब्लॉग हमारा फुटवेयर कलेक्शन का था जो वेस्ट साइड का ही था, लेकिन हमने सोचा क्यों ना अब ट्रेडिशनल कुकिंग बनाया जाए, तो विल शो यू ऑल द कलेक्शन ओवर हियर.
Yeah. We'll show you all some very reasonable dresses. हमारा price limit है
From 1500 till 3000 rupees.
and plus quality बहुत अच्छी है कपड़ों की and the dresses are very standard. We'll put on some on us so that you'll understand the shape and the size and the quality. And we hope that you'll like it.
Yes, let's go.
So guys, we have kurtis. This is so formal and it's so pretty. This is so sober and smart. Colors. You can see all light line colors, yellow colors, white colors. It looks really standard and really good. See the fabric and it's really reasonable. Let's show you guys the price. So it's about $999. I think it's worth it. Find Indian section में ये वाला सबसे less amount है ये. It's 700 kurtis. ये कपड़े ऐसे कि like the quality is so good, like the light colors, like we can wear it normally in our regular uses, and it's awesome. Like the look which they throw, it's really good. The same price, 700. It's really amazing. और लॉन्ग लास्ट करते हैं ये कपड़े बिकॉज क्वालिटी बहुत स्मार्ट रहती है और अच्छी रहती है कपड़ों की. You can see these kurti, like it's all 1500. कुछ कुर्ती के डिज़ाइंस बहुत ज़्यादा नॉर्मल लगेंगे बट उनके मटेरियल्स इतने अच्छे हैं दैट देयर इज़ लाइक इट्स वर्थ इट. 1500 and this literally gives that khadi look. It's really classy. I love it. You can see the pants as well here. Let's see some pants. Price. It's $7.99. Oh my god, this is so good. Like you can see the comfortable material here. It's awesome.
हम लोग अभी थोड़े हैवी कलेक्शन में आए हैं. यहाँ का रेंज अराउंड 2000 से 6000 तक है यहाँ का रेंज. You can see all this pretty collections. I'm thinking to try this one. And Mehak is choosing which one?
I am still confused because इतने प्यारे designs are like
Yes.
you cannot just choose इतने सारे designs and you love the size, shape, quality.
Yes. So
tough to choose, like tough to choose one. The colors बहुत प्यारे.
no, this one is also looking very pretty. This is for 3000 rupees and you get the whole set. This one is also looking very nice. The price?
The price is अगर ये party wear का मैं बोलूँ तो ये it's 3499, so it's 3500 and it's good.
It's good. It's good. It's looking very nice. It's your size?
Yeah.
So go on, try.
Hey guys, and here I am with my traditional look in West Side. Like you can see how smart this kurti looks. I mean, it really carries a really official look and it's really comfortable. The quality is super and it has such a good color. The price for this kurti is $999, which is 999, and the pant which I have paired this up with is you can see the pant, the length. It's for 1299 and I think it's worth it because the look which it gives is really smart. It's very official. We can just wear this anywhere. It's superb. I personally loved it. Hey guys, and this is my second look, which is really smart. It's kind of frock, a western frock, traditional frock, and this looks really smart. You can see the color, how vibrating it is. The quality is awesome.
महक अपना ड्रेस ट्राई कर रही है और हम चूज़ कर रहे हैं कि मुझे क्या लेना है. आई एम लाइकिंग दिस येलो वन. आई डोंट नो वाई, बट कुछ दिन से आई डोंट नो मुझे येलो बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आ रहा है. येलो कलर एंड आई एम लाइकिंग दिस वन. See this, it's looking so pretty and this is for 1500 rupees. This is my size. Actually हमको S आता है लेकिन यहाँ पे S अवेलेबल नहीं है तो M भी अच्छा लगेगा. I'm taking this one for the casual wear. You can like pair it with the leggings which you will get here in every color. You know, the quality is really nice and the price is also very affordable. Like for 500 you are getting such a good quality leggings. But I am pairing it with like sharara kind of thing, this one, and I don't know if you can see, it has prints and it will go with yellow very well, so I'm taking this one. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. I don't know why, but it giving me all the pretty girl vibe. And this is for 1000 rupees. I guess 1000 rupees में इतना घेरदार है ना ये, और बहुत सही क्वालिटी. You know, as compared to Pantaloons and Big Bazaar and all, the traditional collection is very nice. Look at this. It's looking very rich. It's for rupees 34.99. बनारसी दुपट्टा है इसका, रेड में, पिंक में, बहुत प्यारा प्यारा शेड्स है. एंड दिस ऑल आर सेट, मतलब कि यू गेट द पैंट, दुपट्टा एंड द सूट, होल सेट. ऐसा टाइप का थोड़ा इंडो वेस्टर्न काइंड ऑफ. एंड आई थिंक आई लाइक दिस वन very well and it's looking very pretty. So this is for rupees 34.99 and I'm choosing this one. So let's go and try. So see this guys, it's looking super pretty. Do you guys like it? I totally love it. Look it from the back. Like everything is just perfect. Let's try another one. Guys, this is the second look and the detailings are very nice. It's rich looking and I think I loved it. Actually एक मसला हो गया है कि ये जो इसका दुपट्टा है ना, ये इसके पैंट से अटैच्ड है, सो मैं दुपट्टा नहीं पहन सकती हूँ. बट द ओवरऑल सूट इज़ रियली प्रिटी, रियली नाइस एंड इट कम्स विद द फुल सेट. The detailings are really nice. The cloth, the material, everything is like superb. This is the overall suit, the full set. Hope you like it. Share us your review. It matters. And yes, that's all. Bye. That's all, guys. Hope you like the video.
Yeah, and y'all first will never ever regret buying dresses because y'all are gonna love it and y'all are gonna come here again.
Yes, the quality, the material, everything is very nice.
super.
As compared to Pantaloons and all, you get the good collection over here.
Really good. So hope y'all like it and do like, share,
Subscribe to our channel.
Yeah.
Like, show some love, guys. We're trying our
Exactly,
best.
guys. So hope you like the video and
That's all. Bye.